quickly update our viewers what all has happened in the last few minutes with regards to the attack that has now happened as the stabbing incident being reported on actor Saif Ali Khan in his own residence late last night. According to the police, they have identified one accused in the case. They are on the lookout as several teams are now tracing his location. Apparently, he used the fire escape or the staircase that is now being said as far as this intruder is now concerned. On the other hand, on part of the team of doctors who have been giving that medical treatment to the actor who was admitted to Lilavati Hospital right after this incident where the stabbing that he's been injured in different places. However, there has been 2 deep wounds or gashes that have also been reported on his spinal cord, where we are told that the neurosurgery that has also taken place and an object that has also been removed from his spine. Now, what is being said as far as his condition is concerned, it is stable. He is out of danger and will be kept under observation. This is the information so far, latest, that has now been shared on part of the team of doctors and on part of the police as well. Now, when it comes to this suspect, he is still said to be on the run. The police have formed teams and are said to be on the lookout as they are trying to trace. As far as the team of the police, the crime branch, which is now involved in the investigation, they are analyzing the CCTV footages. Through sources, what we are learning, that there was no forced entry or nobody was seen leaving from the residence. What is being learned so far, there are the team of the forensics that were also present there, and also when it comes to the people who were said to be present in the house during the attack, they are being questioned and their statements are also being recorded by the police. Let's listen in to what they have said on the leads that have now been picked up.
एक एक्यूज एक्टर के घर पे गया था, ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चला है। एक्यूज फायर एस्केप का यूज करके इनके घर पे गया था, ये भी पता चला है। अभी तक के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये एक चोरी का अटेम्प्ट था, ऐसा हमारे इन्वेस्टिगेशन में निष्पन्न हुआ है। एक्यूज को जल्दी अरेस्ट करने की कोशिश हमारी चल रही है और एक बार एक्यूज अरेस्ट हो जाता है तो उसके बाद आगे के डिटेल्स ये हम आपसे डिस्क्लोज कर पाएंगे। एक एक्यूज्ड आइडेंटिफाई हो चुका है, उसने स्टेयरकेस का यूज किया था, ये पता चला है। उस एक्यूज को अरेस्ट करने के लिए टीम्स फील्ड पर हैं। 10 डिटेक्शन टीम्स हैं जो अलग अलग डायरेक्शंस में काम कर रही है। एक एक्यूज्ड है, वो एक्यूज्ड की मूवमेंट उस अपार्टमेंट में कल रात में ये इंसिडेंट्स के समय पे देखी गई है और उस दिशा में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
Well, Nilesh, important to note as far as the investigation that is now concerned, exactly where it is headed. The police say they have formed their teams and so far they have identified the accused.
Well, yes, that is quite a big and a significant development coming in. 10 teams have been formed. That includes multiple teams from the crime branch officials also. We have been hearing DCP Zone 9, Dixit Gedam, who have been briefing media and mentions that how he has been able to identify one of the accused. The co-accused has been identified and soon they are expecting that they will be able to nab the main accused who attacked onto Saif Ali Khan, causing some serious injuries. Now it is quite a big development that initially police suggested that in the initial 2 hours of footage they were unable to find any entries from the main gate, but however further investigation has revealed that how the accused was able to enter through the staircase. Now police officials also suspect that it is highly possible that the individual did not enter through any of the gates but jumped through one of the buildings from the premises, as we had been reporting that not just this particular building but other buildings are also being investigated by police officials, police team. The CCTV cameras are being examined by the crime branch officials, not only limiting to the premises but to all of the areas that is surrounding and has access to this road in Bandra, which leads to Saif Ali Khan's residence.
Well, high-profile area there that we are looking at as far as one of the poshest areas in Mumbai where all of the Bollywood superstars reside. However, when it comes to such kind of incident that has taken place, it does raise concerns over the safety and security, as it is being said by some in the Bollywood fraternity as well, because there are several answers that we need on this incident that has now been reported. Let's take a look at some of those questions that actually arise out of this incident that has now been reported at actor Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan's residence. Let's put that out. Was it an inside job? Because what we are learning as far as the inside scoop is concerned, there was no forced entry and nobody was seen leaving the building apparently through those CCTV footages. Another question does it raise that did nobody see the robber at all, even if he did use the fire escape or the staircase as it is being mentioned by the police? Did the attacker break into the house? Later, exactly how did he gain entry into the house? That is a basic question that arises in someone's mind. And did actually someone from inside facilitate the entry if there was no forced entry at all? What is being said that the house help was the one who first raised an alarm on spotting the intruder inside the residence. Was it only one attacker involved or there were more? Was it a robbery bid or something else? These are multiple questions that would come to one's mind looking at the sequence of events, because not much information, or rather not much clarity so far is now available on exactly when it comes to the motive of this intruder is concerned. Where is the attacker right now? Is he a part of a gang? Was it a concerted effort? Exactly how did the attacker escape? Because now we are learning from the police's side that there have been teams that have been formed. He's been identified so far, but he still continues to remain at large. We'll listen in what the police has to say.
Mr. Saif Ali Khan was admitted in the morning at 2 a.m. at Leelavati Hospital with alleged history of assault by some unknown person. At 2 a.m. he sustained major injury to the thoracic spinal cord due to lodged knife in the spine. Surgery was performed to remove the knife and also repair the leaking spinal fluid. 2 other deep wounds on his left hand and one on the neck was repaired by plastic surgery team. The entire surgery was monitored by Dr. Srinivas Kudwa as a cardiologist because of his other condition. He is completely stable now. He is recovering well and out of danger. Thank you.
He is out of danger. He will be kept for under observation and thereafter would be decided as far as the next course of treatment is concerned. But right now the actor's condition is said to be stable. We'll keep our viewers updated. More and more updates that we are picking up from Mumbai as far as the stabbing incident that has now been reported. Back after a short break.